Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily delete account on Netflix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Netflix and then go right bottom corner to more. And when you're going to be here, you want to scroll down below to account. And right here, you just want to simply click cancel membership right here. Under membership and billing, cancel membership. And right here, you're just gonna wait. And now it's easy to cancel or switch plans. And then you can just click finish cancellation, and it's going to be effective at the end of your current billing period on January 16, 2021. Or another way how you can cancel your account, just write to Netflix support. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.